Hello, I'm letter F.
Look, letter F is floating like a boat. Let's find some fish friends. F is for fish. Here is the food, Liam. Fun! Let's feed them.
Look at the friendly fish.
They love the food. Fabulous friends are here. Wow, it's a giant F. The fish made a letter F. Fantastic jumping, friends. Bye, fish friends. Keep having fun with F. Thanks for watching, friends. Choose your next fun adventure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.